Not even a single number in this problem. We wonder sometimes if it's even a math problem. Let me explain. What this is really asking is about data collection. If we were going to get a set of data, what would be the best way to do it given the situation that we have? So, if a pharmaceutical company is going to be creating a new cholesterol drug to prevent heart disease, the company must collect data by testing the drug before it's approved, which would be the best method of data collection. Let me point you to a couple very important words in this problem, because it is a problem, even though it has no math in it. The company must collect data by testing the drug. They're going to test the drug. Pharmaceutical companies are going to test the drug, so what's the best thing they can do? Well, let me tell you what they can't do. If I'm going to test some medication, then I better not be sending out a survey. And I better not be simulating something. I better actually do it. So now I'm stuck between observational and experimental. Now, before we go any further, let me explain why this problem is in it was in this test. One of the things that we're supposed to know as we go along and deal with statistics and data and dealing with that kind of thing is knowing the best way to collect data given a certain situation. And we did this a little bit. But I think there's a lot of context clues within this one that would give it away that are slightly common sense. So now we're left between experimental and observational. So what's the best way to test the drug before it's approved? Okay, should I experiment or should I observe? Okay, and I chose experiment, and I'll go ahead and say experiment is the answer, but let me clarify why experimenting is the answer. If we're going to experiment, then we can control what we're doing. If we're simply going to observe, we cannot. And if we're going to test medication, we need to have a certain degree of control over the outcome, over the way the whole thing is run. So I believe we need to experiment because we can control it better.